So guys, Caleb is having a project, and so both of them are working in this project, and it's called barn.
It's a barn.
Yeah, it's a barn.
It's a barn.
And he has to make it a little bit realistic. Like, can you explain that, how?
Realistic fiction.
Like a 3D or something.
3D. It has to be a diorama. I don't know what diorama means.
What's the name of this project?
I don't know.
Oh,
The Magnificent.
It's wiggly. My hands are so wiggly, guys. But I want to show you guys what's inside. It's dark, but I mean, oh, can you open the door for mine so that I can show them that there is a horse inside in a barn. So there is actually 4 horses in there.
No, there's 1 horse, 2 cows, and 1 mule, or whatever it's called. It's so dark.
Go get a flashlight and we'll show them what it looks like inside. So this is Caleb's project, guys. It's about farm. And the inside, guys, is amazing because there's a horse. There's a, what else inside? There's a cow.
2 cows.
Yeah, and this is amazing. I like the way Caleb and Daddy did it. Daddy's stomach is
I'm gonna leave this color.
Why?
Cause I can't paint it on that board. That's the board.
Well, you can actually put papers in a board. It would look better if it's real. A barn usually look like a. So this is Caleb's project again. That Caleb and Daddy have been working. They've been working in it since 2 days ago. And it's not done yet, guys. It still needs something. It's a barn. It still needs something in it. Caleb is having a project in here. And I want to show you guys. Do not tear it up. That he has a barn. And Daddy and him was the one who built the barn. It's called, what it's called now? That it needs to look like realistic.
A 3D diorama, and we don't even know what a diorama is.
That's the reason why you need to find out.
This is glitter.
Hala, don't tear it up.
To a new unboxing video. Yeah. Daddy bought
Mama's
pans.
pots and pans.
And we have number 1.
What is it? Show it in here. You have it old. What is that right there? Show it. The camera is right here. It's showing it. So guys, I have a new set of cookware. You have the tail.
Oh,
Shoot that first one out.
this should go on that way.
We're unboxing, guys. And I like the color. It's
so
purple.
pretty.
And Daddy ordered it online, and it's so pretty. And I like the color because it's so purple.
And there's a big
Oh, I love that one too.
No scratching it.
Of course it's new. Yeah, I was the one who got excited.
This,
Now, put it right here in the table so I can show up.
put it all right here. This is the lid for the skillet.
It's nice. I like it.
It's got handprints all over it.
It's okay. So right here, Daddy. Show it right here, Daddy. I got it right. That one right there. It's a pan. It's a pan. That one right there is a pan. And that one, oh my gosh, I just love the color.
So you can hide all your other ones.
And that one right there is a small pot. And I have a little one sitting right here. And it's cute. Is it on? And that one is another small pot.
Well, Mom.
And oh, I love this for grilling. I like this one for grilling. It's so purple and I love it.
I'm gonna keep all these.
And I have another grilling pan.
Yeah, you can put all that other.
It's not a grilling pan, it's just a regular one.
You can put all that other up. That didn't have a lid.
Oh,
I know why.
What? Oh yeah, that should
fits
be
both of them.
yeah. That should be the lid for that.
You like it, Mom?
Yes, I do. Thank you. And I have another one right here. Oh my gosh, I just
So
love
when you're cooking,
it.
I had ordered Dad and the lights, and I didn't get the lights.
So this is what I got, guys. Our unboxing today is a cooking cookware, and it's a set. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is what we just had unboxed today. We did the unboxing, and that's the color. It's purple, and I love it. It's got 3 pan. Actually, one of them is a grilling pan.
You go.
Sorry
go,
for
Mama.
my Sorry
go
for
to
my sound. My voice got a
She said.
cold. And I got 3. What do you call that? Pots? Yeah,
I
3
think they're
big
pots and
pots. And there's 2 small one right here. And I love the color, guys. I just love the color. Caleb is playing with the box. We just did the unboxing, guys.
With the box, so bad.
So after we did the unboxing, here is the monkey right here playing with the box. And our Kiara. Hello, Kiara. No, that's not. I love the color. Thank you, Daddy. I love you too.